Hello. Okay, you're welcome. This is one of my projects. This is actually done with Laravel, a PHP framework. And this is a property listing site where different agents can come and upload their properties that they would like people to, where they advertise their properties and users can get in touch with them. So this is a home page. This is what it looks like. Then here we have the about us page about the company. Okay, about us and the services page, kind of things, services the company offer, and here's a contact page. Okay, and this is an interesting part. This is where you have the list of all the properties, and you can actually filter the properties either through different means. You have the, if you're looking for properties that are only for rent, once you click here, only properties that has to do with rent will come up. If you need the ones that are for sale, you click sale, it will filter through sales. So here's only sales. If you go to rent, you see only rent, then you can refresh it. It brings up all the properties. You can also filter the properties based on their property types, like you have duplexes, you have block of flats, land space, and so on. So right now we have just one duplex. If you click on it, you see that particular property. Okay, if you click on smart home, we have 5 of them and it will show. Then you can also filter through states. I'm in Nigeria, so we have 36 states plus a federal capital territory. Then each of the states have a couple of local governments. So like this state I just selected now, that's I think that's Abia State, has only one property. If you go over to Bauchi State, there's no property, so that's why you won't see anything listed there. You can also filter through local government, or the local government in Nigeria. You could see this is actually in Abia State, so that's why you see this. So you can refresh. So this is where the search will be done. So we try to narrow the search in such a way that users don't have to stress themselves. Then there's this other clause: we advise you trade with caution when dealing with agents who are unverified. So each property is uploaded by a specific agent, and the agent could be verified. If the agent is, what makes the agent verified is there are certain documents the agent will have to send to the company, that's Fine Props company, that will authenticate whatever he's doing online. So when those documents are sent from the back end, let me log in with admin privileges. Okay, so click here. If you don't have an account, you can register. If you have an account, you can log in. So I'm logging in as the admin. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so as the admin, I can this is what the admin will see. Okay, you can see all the list of all the users. So for instance, Talia Ryan is verified. If I'm not satisfied with the documents you release, and normally by default, once any agent register on the platform, the person will be unverified. So for instance, Talia Ryan is unverified, and Talia Ryan is one that uploaded this property. Once I refresh this link, you notice this agent is unverified. Everything is done from the back end manually, and that's after they've mailed certain documents to prove the authenticity of whatever they're putting on the site. The administrator we go to the back end and verify that particular user. So you just to click this button, and if we go back and refresh, you see that Talia Ryan is now verified. So for every single property, these are the features. We have the images showing in carousel slider. You have all the features showing here. The description will be here. The address, you also have the video. Then you can equally share the property either through WhatsApp. Let me just click. Okay, you see it will prompt my WhatsApp API to open up my WhatsApp. So from here I can share that property with anybody. So you just open up my WhatsApp. Wow, this is really cool. You can also share through Facebook. You have Telegram, Facebook. Okay, so from here this is what it will look like. Okay, it's still locally in my machine, so that's why it's showing this the URL is still my local host. So once it's online, you see the real URL, then you can see something, the image of the property will show. Then from there, voila, you're good to share. You can also share it with through Telegram. We have LinkedIn, have Twitter, and I think this should be Reddit. Okay, you can share it through those platforms, and you can also reach out to the agent. Let's assume this agent, you just dial his number and you'll be prompted to make the call. The same with the email, you can email the agent. So this is what the property looks like, and this is actually done with Laravel. Then the database used for this is MySQL. Then for the front end, Bootstrap with some JavaScript. So should you ever want to do any full stack application like this, don't hesitate to contact us. Now I can also log in. Let me log out as the admin, and then also okay, I'm logging out now. So let me log in as a normal user. That is if I still remember the login. That should be Talia Ryan. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. So for the normal user, that's the agent. So if you are verified, you see this flag here. You are verified, and okay, so you can add up the properties here. This way they add up the properties. Okay. Then the title of the property, the type you select, which is a drop down coming from the type. The type is actually created by the admin from the admin section. Put the price in, everything. Then you can pick as many images as once you click submit, it goes and automatically it will appear in the front end among the properties that are listed and so on. So this is what we do. We would like to work with you. It's actually quite interesting running this. Thank you. Once again, I'm Samuel Tabe.